What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be removing the lower half of the valence or air dam or whatever you'd like to call it on my 2018 Chevy Silverado, thus giving it a bigger appearance. The front valence on these trucks are the lowest thing that sits on like the outside body of it, but as we know, or if you don't know, the lowest thing that sits on any truck is right back here, your pumpkin or your differential that sits on your rear end, and the only way to lift that is bigger tires. Now the GMCs look really good if you take the entire valence off, but here with the Chevy, because the way the bumper kind of goes up and around, I don't think it looks good. Cool, so what we're going to be taking off today is this right here. This lower half of like 3, maybe 3.5 inches. This entire piece unbolts and just, you know, kind of pulls right off. And you think this might as well, but this is actually molded in there, and you know, you'd actually have to cut this if you want to get that part off. So we're going to pull off this bottom half and kind of see how she looks. Okay, so here we are up underneath the truck. As you can see, here's this lower half, and here's all the bolts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 of these little bolts come off with a little 7mm socket. Thankfully, GM did not make it a 10mm socket because nobody really has a 10mm socket, right? And then for anybody who's curious, since I get the question a lot and I'm underneath the truck, this is what the underneath of the front suspension looks like after the 2.5-inch leveling kits. A lot of people ask me what my CV angle looks like, what my ball joint looks like, and the clearance I have on my control arm. You see I do have a little bit, but overall the CV I don't think looks terrible. Ball joints are kind of iffy. Control arm, you know, I don't have a whole lot of clearance left on that, but if you stay tuned to the channel, I am going to be getting like new upper control arms and stuff like that at some point, so there's that. I actually like it. I don't know, I kind of think it looks kind of good. I was kind of skeptical at first, but I like it. What do you guys think? Okay, now real quick, I did end up putting 2 of these bolts back in because this ultimately is what holds on, you know, the valence and keeping it from flapping. So if I do keep this look with this bottom piece off, I'll probably end up coming back with like a little grinder and kind of like grinding these down so they're not sticking out so much. So I don't know, I like it. Close to 3 inches, kind of like 2 3/4. It's like 2 3/4 inches. So how to make your truck 2 3/4 inches taller for free. I don't know, I do kind of like it. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the look, what it looks like now. And if you liked the video, please smash that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button for me. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.